This is the powerful GBH 328 DFR professional rotary hammer. It has the highest chiseling power of all rotary hammers in its class. Due to its 20% higher chiseling power, the GBH 328 DFR Professional is the best for working on tiles. It also achieves a high drilling rate in concrete. The Bosch vibration control guarantees top performance with low vibration. The quick change chuck enables you to change from SDS Plus to keyless chuck in seconds, so that you can work comfortably and without impact in wood and metal. Experience top performance with low vibration with the GBH 328 DFR Professional.